how to update payment method on booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your payment method on booking.com. Let's get started. Open up any browser and head over to booking.com. Then you'll see your profile in the top right. Just tap on it and then tap on My Account. Now scroll down and under Payment Info, tap on Payment Methods. Now you can see Pay with New Card. Tap on it. And now you'll need to put in the cardholder's name, card number, and the expiration date and hit save. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.